Hello everyone. Welcome to the maths class. Earlier we have started with the chapter section and midpoint formula. Objectives related to section and midpoint formula are application of distance formula, application of midpoint formula, application of section formula, concept of centroid of a triangle, problem based on geometrical figures. So today we are going to discuss application of section formula and concept of centroid of a triangle. So first of all, introduction of section formula. In this, first of all, one line segment AB is given to us. Here coordinates of A are x1, y1, coordinates of B x2, y2. In this, we have to find the point P which divide the line segment A and B in some ratio, and ratio is denoted by M1 and M2. So, to find the coordinate of x, formula is m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula to find the value of x. And to find the value of y, formula is m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this formula is known as section formula. Now according to this formula, our first type is when points are given to us and we have to find the value of x and y. So according to this question, calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 1:2. So coordinates of A are x1, y1, coordinates of B x2, y2, and ratio is given to us, that is 1:2. Now by using section formula, formula is x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Now after filling values here and after solving, our answer is 11 upon 3. And y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. After filling values, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 9 upon 1 plus 2. Then after solving, answer is 7. So points are 11 upon 3 and 7. Now type 2 is, in what ratio is the line joining the point 4 and 2 and 3 and minus 5 divided by the x-axis? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So from here, point A is given to us 4 and 2, point B 3 and minus 5. We have to find the coordinates of the point of intersection, and this line is divided by the x-axis, so coordinates are x and 0 and it is denoted by P. So according to this, A point is x1 y1, B x2 y2, dividing point is x and 0, that is x and y, and we have to find ratio first, m1:m2. Now by using section formula here, first of all, value of y is 0 given, so we have to solve y first. So formula is x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now value of y is 0 here, so put 0. 0 equals to m1 into value of y2 is minus 5 and y1 value is 2. So after solving here, m1 plus m2 into 0 is equals to 0. Minus 5 into m1 is minus 5m1 and this one is 2m2. Now after shifting here, minus 5m1 changes into plus. So 5m1 is equals to 2 times m2. m1 ratio m2 now. m1 upon m2 is equals to 2 upon 5. Therefore, m1 ratio m2 is equals to 2 ratio 5. Now put this ratio here and coordinates of x1 and x2 also. Then value is 2 into 3 plus 5 into 4 upon 2 plus 5. Then x equals to 6 plus 20 upon 7 after adding 26 upon 7. So according to the question, first ratio we want. So ratio is 2 ratio 5 and coordinates of P are 26 upon 7 and 0. This is the type 2. Now third type of section formula is, we have to find coordinates of point of trisection here. In this, 2 points P and Q are there. We have to find the coordinates of P and Q. These coordinates divide this line segment into 3 parts. That's why trisection word is there. Now, according to P, first of all, ratio is 1 ratio 2 because P divides this line in 1 ratio 2 and Q divides this line segment in 2 ratio 1. Now first of all, for the coordinates of P, let P and Q be the points of trisection so that AP equals to PQ equals to QB. So for P, coordinates of A denoted by x1, y1, coordinates of B, x2, y2, and we have to find the coordinates of P. For this, ratio is 1 ratio 2. Now, by using section formula, x equals to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y equals to m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. After filling values and solving, coordinates of P are 4 upon 3 and 2. Now for Q, again coordinates of A denoted by x1, y1, coordinates of B, x2, y2. We have to find the coordinates of Q. For this, ratio is 2 ratio 1. Now by using section formula, x equals to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y equals to m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now after filling values here, coordinates of Q are minus 10 upon 3 and 6. This is the third type of section formula. Next objective is concept of centroid of a triangle. In this, first of all, triangle is given. Triangle name is ABC and coordinates of A are x1, y1, coordinates of B x2, y2, coordinates of C x3, y3. Now, according to this triangle, first of all, we have to draw medians from all the vertex. So, median from A vertex denoted by AD, from B, BF, from C, CE. And point of intersection of all these medians is known as centroid of a triangle and it is denoted by G. And centroid divides the median in 2:1. So if we have to find the coordinates of centroid, first of all we have to find the coordinates of D here by using midpoint formula from B and C. Then after midpoint formula we have to apply section formula from A and D, and ratio is 2:1. Then coordinates of G will come. But there is another formula to find the centroid, that is x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is the formula to find the centroid of a triangle. Now first type of the centroid of a triangle is when all vertices are given and we have to find the value of centroid here. So according to this, question is calculate the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle ABC. Given A coordinates are -2 and 3, B 6 and 7 and C 4 and 1. So A coordinates are x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Then we have to find centroid, that is denoted by G, and coordinates are x and y. Now formula is x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Now after filling values here, x equals to -2 plus 6 plus 4 upon 3. Then after solving, answer is 8 upon 3. After filling value of y1, y2 and y3, value is 3, 7 and 1. Then 3 plus 7 plus 1 upon 3. After solving, 11 upon 3 is the answer. Now coordinates of centroid are G 8 upon 3 and 11 upon 3. This is the first type. Now second type according to this is when centroid is given and we have to find the coordinates of the triangle and missing values also. So ABC is a triangle and G 4 and 3 is the centroid of the triangle. If A 1 and 3, B 4 and B and C A and 1, then find the value of A and B. So again coordinates of A are x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 and centroid denoted by x and y. Now formula is x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. After filling value here, value of x is 4. Now 4 equals to 1 plus 4 plus a upon 3. Then after shifting, 4 into 3 is 12. 12 equals to 5 plus a. Then after shifting, collect like term, 12 minus 5 equals to a. Then value of a is equals to 7. And value of y is 3. After filling this value, 3 equals to 3 plus b plus 1 upon 3. Then from here after multiplication, 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So 9 is equals to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus b. Then after collect like terms, 9 minus 4 equals to b, then b equals to 5. So therefore value of a is equals to 7 and b equals to 5. And coordinates of b are now 4 and 5 and c 7 and 1. Now students, you are able to solve sums related to these types. That will come in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.